and we had completed our 1 to 7. Now 8 onwards I am starting question number 8. Okay, and in this exercise now repeating questions are coming. One new concept in the new question number 8. It is based on a new concept, that is the concept of the centroid. Okay, question number 8. A triangle whose coordinates is -4,6, 2, -2 and 2, 5. A triangle whose coordinate is -4,6, 2, -2 and 2, 5. And the question is, find the coordinate of the centroid of the triangle. Find the coordinate of the centroid of the triangle. So centroid means, suppose a triangle is whose coordinate to x1 and y1, next x2, y2, next x3 and y3. This is a triangle whose coordinate of the three vertices x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. And here is the center of the triangle. Center means this point is equidistant from this vertex, this point is equidistant from this vertex, this point is equidistant from this vertex. Means the point, this suppose that this point is O. Point O is equidistant from all three vertices of a triangle. So that is the centroid. Means center of the circle, that is known as centroid. So how can you calculate the coordinate of this centroid? The coordinate of the centroid we can calculate. Let it is x comma y. Let the coordinate of the centroid x comma y. So the value of x comma y is calculated with the help of x1 plus x2 plus x3 and divided by 3. x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Next, similarly x2 for the y1. Okay, for y this is y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Whenever you have asked, find the coordinate of the centroid of the triangle. So the formula is very easy, whose coordinate is denoted by x comma y and its value is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So by using this formula we can calculate the answer of this question. So let a coordinate is a, let a, okay, its name is a -4,6, b is 2, -2 and C is 2, 5. Okay, now write x1 y1. First it is a x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. It is your choice, you can take this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, so x1 is equal to -4 and y1 is equal to 6. Next x2 is equal to 2 and y2 is equal to -2. Next x3 is equal to 2 and y3 is equal to 5. So first the centroid, let's suppose this is the point O. So coordinate of the centroid, coordinate of the centroid, let it is x comma y and its value is x is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. By using this formula we can calculate our answer. So x1 -4, x2 2 and x3 2. So plus 2 and divided by 3. Next y1 y2 y3. 6 -2 plus 5. 6. Then y2 -2 plus minus and y3 is 5 plus 5 divided by 3. So that is our answer. The answer is -4, 2 or 2 4 0. So 0. Next second one is 6 -2. 6 -2 4 or 4 or 5. 9 divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 0, 3 is the answer. Yes, centroid of the triangle. Okay, 0, 3 is the centroid of this triangle. This is the answer of this question. Okay, this is a very simple one question and I already explained at the starting. This chapter is very easy chapter. Okay sir. Next, now try to solve question number 9. Question number 9 because this is a simple one. Next, question number, अच्छा इसको देखो question number 10. Question number 10 is based on question number 8. Okay, but this time we need to find the coordinate of the vertex. Question number 10. A triangle whose midpoint. Question number 10. A triangle midpoint of the sides of a triangle are. Okay, the midpoint of the sides of a triangle are. First one is 1, 4. Second one is 4, 8. Third one is, what is the third? Third is 5, 6. Okay, find the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle. Here is given the midpoint of the sides of the triangle. Three sides in a triangle, their midpoints coordinate are given 1, 4, 4, 8, 5, 6. And the question is calculate the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle. So three vertices are there. So suppose the coordinate of this point is x1 y1, x1 y1. Let the coordinate of this point is x2 y2, and the coordinate of this point is x3 y3. So how can we find the value of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3? That is our question here. So as you know that the relation between point A, B and midpoint. Okay, this is the midpoint. Midpoint is denoted by x, small x, y. So its value is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, similarly in the another way we can do it. Okay, now taking a side AB. Okay, in a side AB, you're taking side AB of a triangle ABC, given that 1, 4 is a coordinate. Here one more thing, you can write P Q R. Okay, P Q R. Let P Q R are the midpoint of the sides of a triangle. Midpoint of the sides of a triangle ABC. Okay, so how can you relate this midpoint with these two sides? Suppose first I am taking the side A whose coordinate is x1 y1, second is B x2 y2, and midpoint it is denoted by P 1, 4. So by using the midpoint formula we can find the relation between these three coordinates. So as you know that the midpoint is denoted by x, y, and x is equal to, what is the value of x? So P is equal to, x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So what is the value of x here? This point is denoted to x, y. So x is 1. 1 is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Cross multiply, 2 1 are 2. So x1 plus x2. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 2. Equation number first. Here we need to calculate the equation. When you get all the equation, so with the help of all the equation we can find the value of x1, x2 and x3. Similarly y1, y2 and y3. That is our main question. Okay, next y is remaining. So y is equal to, you know that y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And what is the value of y here? The value of y for this condition, it is x and y. Y is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Cross multiply, 4 to the 8. y1 plus y2 is equal to 8. Equation number second. Okay, now on taking the second side of the triangle, so B and C. What is the coordinate of B? x2 y2, C x3 y3, and the point here is Q, whose midpoint is 4, 8. Okay, next time again you know that x is equal to x1 plus x2, but here x2 is x3, so x is equal to 4 is equal to, we can write. Okay, now taking side BC of a triangle ABC. So using midpoint formula, to x is equal to x2 plus x3 divided by 2. X value is 4, so 4 is equal to x2 plus x3 divided by 2. So 4 2 ja 8. So 8 is equal to x2 plus x3. So x2 plus x3 is equal to 8. Equation number third. Now for y is y2 and y3 and y midpoint y is 8. So 8 is equal to y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Cross multiply 8 to the 16. y2 plus y3 is equal to 16. This is our equation number 4. Next, which side is remaining? Third side AC. So on taking side AC, on taking side AC. What is the AC? This side is our AC. Now our relation midpoint is equal to this point plus this point divided by 2 means 5. X is equal to 5 and the coordinate x3 and x1. So x1 plus x3 divided by 2. Cross multiply 5 to the 10. So x1 plus x3 is equal to 10. Equation number 5. Next one is, what is the next? Y. For the y is equal to 6. So y1 plus y3 divided by 2. So 6 is equal to y1 plus y3 divided by 2. y1 plus y3 divided by 2. So 12 is equal to y1 plus y3. So y1 plus y3 is equal to 6 to the 12. Equation number 6. So now how many equation we get here? 6 equation we calculated. Okay, 6 equation we calculated here. Now the question is, find the value of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 by using all the 6 equations. Okay, by using all the 6 equations. So can you calculate it? And how can you find the value of x and y? Not x and y. Find the value of x1, y1, y2, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Write first all the equation. x1 plus x2 is equal to 2. Equation number first. Next second y1 plus y2 is equal to 8. Equation number second. Next x2 plus x3 is equal to 8. Equation number third. Next y2 plus y3 is equal to 16. Equation number 4. Next, what is our equation number 8? It is x1 plus x3 is equal to 10. Equation number 5. Next, y1 plus y3 is equal to 12. Equation number 6. These are the 6 equations we calculated here, and with the help of these 6 equations, calculate the value of x and x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So can you suggest me how can we solve these 6 equations? Yeah, how can we find the relation? Yeah, how can we calculate the value of x1, y1, x2, y2? And good morning all the students. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने तो गुड मॉर्निंग लिख के भाग भी गए. वेरी गुड. एक्चुअली में मेरे पे सारे बच्चों की डिटेल है, कौन क्लास में आता है कौन नहीं आता है सारा, ठीक है. Now please tell me first, how can you calculate the value of x1, y1, x2, y3? Please tell me first. देखो, now listen it. How can we solve it? Okay, listen it carefully. As you know that in the case of the simultaneous equation, if you have given x 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 and next x plus 5y is equal to 7. So by elimination and substitution you can solve it because variable are same x and x, y and y. But in this case, if you take any two equation, so both variables are not equal. So that is the problem for us. So how can we solve it? So देखो sir, listen this thing very carefully. Okay, listen it carefully. Can you add the equation number first, third and fifth? Add equation number first, third and fifth. Okay, equation number first plus third and plus fifth. First, third and fifth. So first one is x1 plus x2. Next third is x2 plus x3. x2 plus x3. Next fifth is x1 plus x3. x1 plus x3 is equal to right hand side 2. Right hand side is 2 plus next third 8. 2 or 8 10 and last one is fifth 10 or 10 20. Okay, right hand side is 20. Now x1 x1 x2 x2 x3 x3 2 times all are coming to 2x1 x1 x1 2x1 2x2 and 2x3, taking 2 common out. So 2 common out, so x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 20. So finally x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 20 divided by 2, so 10. Suppose it is our equation number 7. Equation number 7. अब क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Taking equation number 7 and equation number first, because first is x1 plus x2. Substituting the value of equation number first, in equation number 7. What is the value of x1 plus x2? It is 2. The x1 plus x2 is equal to 2 plus x3 is equal to 10. So x3 is equal to 2, right hand side 10 minus 2 8. The value of x3 is equal to 8. Okay, this is the first. Next, similarly substitute the value of another equation, the x2 plus x3. Substituting it equation number 7, x2 plus x3. Okay, so from यहाँ पे लिखना from equation number third, x2 plus x3 is equal to 8. So remaining x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 8 is equal to 10. So x1 is equal to right hand side it transfer to 2. x1 is equal to 2. Now value of x2. So with the help of this equation number 5, x1 plus x3 is 5. x1 plus x3 is 5. x2 is remaining. So 5 plus x2 is remaining is equal to 10. So x2 is equal to 10 minus 5 5. So these are the value of x1 x2 and x3. Similarly you can calculate the value of y1 y2 y3 by using first adding equation number second 4 and 6. Then you will get the relation 2y1 2, then out bracket y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 12. Next, okay, 20 this is 28 and 8. Okay, 28 and 8 36. Okay, so you can solve it by using the same method, the value of y1 y2 and y3. Whenever you calculated the value of y1 y2 y3, so that time you can write x1 y1 is equal to x1 is equal to 2 and y1 you can calculate x2 y2 is equal to x3 y3 is equal to. This question is given in our book. This type of the question is given in our book. And one more thing sir, जो इंपॉर्टेंट है, ध्यान से सुनना. जो बुक आपके पास प्रेजेंट टाइम में है, ओके, एस चांद पब्लिकेशन, इसमें क्वेश्चन बहुत कम दिए हैं एज कंपेयर ऑफ लास्ट ईयर मैथमेटिक्स. ओके, जैसे लास्ट ईयर 9th में बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चन थे, सिलेबस बहुत था. इस बार वो कंडीशन नहीं है. 9th में बहुत इजी चैप्टर और बहुत कम सिलेबस दे रखा है. ओके, मींस एक्सरसाइज आर नॉट E up to E या G. This time in the 9th class exercise are up to second or third. Okay, and questions are also easy in the S Chand publication. Similarly in the 10th class. Similarly it is given in 10th class. Okay, so I request to you, please try to solve the maximum question. And अगर आपको कहीं से बुक मिल सकती है, कौन सी वाली, सेलिना वाली, तो वहां पे क्वेश्चन के स्टैंडर्ड बहुत अच्छे दिए हुए हैं. ओके, तो इट इज beneficial for your board examination. So I request all the students, those are watching the videos, please try to solve the question from Selina publication. Okay, there you will face the different types of the problem in your any one chapters, related to any one chapters. Okay, then you will get the better understanding of the each and every chapters. Okay, and in this book all the questions are given very easy. Okay, syllabus also easy, क्योंकि कई सोच रहे होंगे कि कुछ पिछली बार कुछ और था, इस बार कुछ और है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बहुत इजी है इस बार. नाउ दिस इज आवर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द दिस क्वेश्चन. दिस इज सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट, next one is, next it is also changed. Question number next. The vertices of the triangle A is -2, 2. B is 4, 4, and C is 8, 2. Find the length of the median. Okay, this is our triangle. Listen it carefully. Okay, A, B, C. The coordinate of A -2, 2. The coordinate of B 4, 4. The coordinate of C 8, 2. Question is find the length of the median of the side. First is AB, second is AC, and third one is BC. Calculate the length of all three medians are given in our question. And as you know that what is the median? Median is a line which divided the triangle in two equal parts. Median is a line which divided the triangle in two equal parts, and it is also dividing the base also in two equal parts. Okay, so first is AB. So A, from the vertex A, median A. एक मिनट. Question number 10. Repeat. I am repeating this question. Question number 11. This is 11. The vertices of the triangle -2, B and C. Find the length of the medians of the side. Okay, medians to the side of, like, to the side AB, AC and BC. To the side AB, BC and AC. Okay, means medians are above this, means इस साइड पे मीडियन है, तो इस साइड पे मीडियन कहां से आएगी? ऐसे ना आएगी. इस साइड पे मीडियन कहां से आएगी? यहां से. एंड द मीडियन ऑन दिस साइड फ्रॉम द पॉइंट B. This is the concept of the median, as you know that. The question is first median on AB. Median on AB. So this is the side. इस पे मीडियन कहां से आएगी सर? From this vertex. Okay, the median is a line which divided the base in two equal parts. These two lengths are equal. But question is find the length of this median. Find the length of this median. What? Listen it carefully. Okay, यहाँ देखो सारे ढंग से. What is the coordinate of this midpoint? Let the midpoint is P. Let the midpoint is P. So tell me what is the coordinate of this point? And the question is find the length of this median. How can you calculate the length between two points? As you know that by using the distance formula. So one coordinate is given here, but second coordinate is not given here. So I am explaining first part. So second and third part is your homework. So listen it carefully. Okay, this is our median. One coordinate is given, second coordinate is not given, and if you want to calculate the length, we need x1, y1, x2, y2. So we can calculate the length of this line by using the distance formula, root x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so P is the midpoint. यहाँ लिख देना solution since CP is median. So therefore P is a midpoint of AB. So what is the coordinate of P? So you can take this point is x1, y1. This point is x2, y2. So x1 is equal to -2, y1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 4, and y2 is equal to 4. These are the condition here. Okay, this is the condition. So midpoint, let the coordinate of this point is x, y. Let the coordinate of this point is x, y. So x, y is equal to, you know that x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So -2 plus 4 divided by 2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 minus 4. 2 upon 2, 1, and 4 to 6 divided by 2. So 4 6 divided by 2 means 3. Okay, so this is the coordinate of this point 1 comma 3. The question is find the length of this median. How can you calculate the length of median? So length of median PC is equal to, by using distance formula. What is the distance formula? x2 minus x1, या you can write x1 minus x2. तो x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 its whole square. But so many students are confused here because I note down here this point is x2 y2, but you can change the condition. But this is the formula. Suppose you can take this point is capital X1 and capital Y1, and now you can change it x2 capital X2 y2. Now any problem? No problem, because we are calculating the distance of this length. Okay, so what is the capital X2? So x2 is x2. It is your choice. You can take this point as a x1 y1, and you can take this as the vice versa, means x2 y2. So now I have taken x1 y1. So x2 is 1, x2 is 1 minus x2 is 1 and x1 is 8, 1 minus 8 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 3 minus y1 2 its whole square. So root is equal to root 1 minus 8 7 minus 7, so minus 7 its whole square, and 3 minus 2 1 whole square. So what will be our answer of this question? The answer is the length of PC. The length of PC is equal to root 7 7 is 49 minus plus 1 1 is 1, so 49 and 1 root 50. You can simplify it. You can write it in the form of, can we write this is 25 into 2? 25 into 2. So 25 is out from the root. So 5 5 25. So 5 root 2 is the answer. Length is given here. The length is, we can write 5 root 2 unit. Okay, because any specific unit not given in question, so we can write 5 root 2 unit. So this is the first part. Similarly, you can calculate for AC. AC के लिए calculate करना है. Now calculate it for AC. So AC means median of this side. So median of this side we can draw from vertex P. Let this point is Q. Can you calculate the coordinate of this point? Because BQ is the median. So median divided AQ in AC in two equal parts. So Q is the median. So by using the coordinate of these two, okay, A and C, we can calculate this point. ये point निकल गया. So this is 4 and here is point. So by using these 2 points, we can calculate the value of the length. Okay, so rest 2 of the parts are also same. So I request, please try to solve these 2 parts at your home. Okay, Shruti Rana, good morning. Please tell me fast, can you solve this part? Please tell me fast. और इसको छाप लो जरा जल्दी से. Please tell me fast, can you solve the second part and third part of this question? Very good. Yes sir, very good Ajay. And I hope all those are watching, they are able to solve the second part and third part. Okay, so please try to solve it. If you will face any type of the problem, so I will take these 2 parts in the next class. But when you face the problem, okay? ऐसा नहीं कि मैं ही कर रहा हूँ हर question. Now please take a homework. Those are the repeating question. Question number 12. Calculate the coordinate of P which divided the line joining. इस चीज को ध्यान रखना. Line joining means with the help of any 2 points that are given, they are making a line segment. That is the meaning of line joining. Line joining A and B in the ratio 1 to ratio दे रखा, coordinate ये बना है, find the point which dividing the line joining. So can you solve it? Question number 12 is your homework. Next question number 13 also is your homework. Midpoint is given here. Midpoint is given x1 y1, x1 is 2, y1 is equal to p. Okay, and x2 is q, y2 is 4, and xy is 3,5. So please try to solve question number 12 and 13. Question number 12 and 13. Next, one more question. And one more, question number 20. Sir, listen it. Question number 20. 20 is also your homework. Question number 1 is 12, 1 is 13, and question number 20. In the question number 20, triangle ABC are the vertices of the triangle. 3 vertices are given. Question is prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. So this is the triangle given in our question. Triangle is given A, B, C. Vertices are also given. Their vertices are also given. And but question is prove that it is the isosceles. So how can you prove that it is the isosceles triangle? So first calculate the distance of this left side. Calculate the distance of this side by using distance formula. Similarly, calculate this side by using distance formula. Calculate this side by using distance formula. This is our distance formula. Okay. So when you calculate it, all 3 sides, 2 sides will be equal. 2 sides must be equal so that triangle is isosceles. Okay. And it is given here. Prove that ABC is isosceles. मतलब prove करना ही करना है. इसका मतलब 2 sides equal जरूरी है. होगी equal. ठीक है. तो hope you can try to solve these 3 questions. Okay. You can try to solve these 3 questions. So now this is the timing of the next class, and tomorrow we will meet again. Okay. Thank you.